Today is August 7th and getting ready to put in a little pond, and we'll take some pictures here of the before. Actually, I've already done some cleanup work on the site. Wish I would have taken some before I got it kind of cleaned up. Anyway, you can see a pile of rocks here, and here's the site. So anyway, we'll shoot some more as we make a little progress. Alright, I started my first film with a 10, and it's almost 12 o'clock right now. I'll show you how much work we got done. Well, it's 1:45. We needed some rain, and by golly, we're getting it. A real gully washer here. Unfortunately, it's somewhat impeded the progress of the excavation. And I can see from here the pond is rapidly filling up. It's still raining a little bit. But we definitely got water in the pond. 11th, and see what we got done on the pond. We got the tiller out. Joey and I got in here today and shoveled a lot of mud out, and started lining the where the waterfall's going to be, putting a subliner in, and got it all raked down. Joey and I put grade stakes in, make sure the top was pretty much level. And what I started to do, started chunking rocks on the back slope. I'll try to put rocks all around the slope, kind of keep the dirt from washing away. So anyway, that's where we are. Joey and I have assembled the liner. What we've done is we bought some 6mm plastic, black plastic, and 20-foot wide, 100-foot roll. We cut 5 pieces, so we've got 30mm thickness, and we have started filling the pond. And I believe it's probably going to take about 3,000 gallons. We'll definitely feel the impact of that when the water bill comes in. Can't see all the rocks I put on the back here for the subliner and the liner, but made pretty good progress with it. It's 5:51 and we started filling, turned the water on about 5 after 5, so it's been running for about 45 minutes. We'll better trim that one.
Here's the man that did all this. There he is. There's the fingers, his wounds, his war wounds. Feeding his fish. Get him, buddy.